Hello, today I want to tell you about the 6 advantages of social media marketing. First advantage of social media marketing is it's easier to reach people from anywhere, and it's also it's kind of reach the um, larger audience. It doesn't matter when you post online. It doesn't matter where they are living geographically. They're gonna see your post anyway, and this is the best way to grow your market and your business. Second advantage, you can have more connection with your customers. Digital marketing lets you to communicate with your customers in real time. The most important thing is it lets your customer connect with you as well and communicate with you. They're gonna talk about their expectation, and they're gonna put a comment and put a feedback for you as well. So you can learn about your customer needs, wants, and expectations. When your customer engage with your digital marketing, such as putting a comment on your post or share your post or putting the feedback on your product reviews and everything, it increase your visibility and also interactivity. Customers gonna get benefit from interactivity as well, because they have increased their level of engagement, and they become active participants in your digital marketing. So it brings sense of ownership and sense of loyalty for them as well. So make sure that you or managing the communication well as well. You're gonna reach, it's easy to communicate, it's easy to learn from your customers, but you need to learn how to manage the conversation as well. And now I want to talk about the third advantage. It's cost effective. Digital marketing is cheaper than the traditional marketing, and as it reaches to more audience, it's kind of the cost for each and every advertisement, it's lots and lots cheaper than traditional one. With digital marketing, you can create only one post, only one content, and post it in your blogs, in your social media, in your website, create a video as well. You need to adjust it based on the platform you use, but it's only one content creation, and you could use in different digital marketing, digital channels. You can also create marketing campaigns such as email marketing, which I'm gonna have I have a video about the email marketing. Email marketing that delivers message to all of your customers on you can just send it immediately, or you just schedule it for certain times to deliver. The other thing is, when you create a content for the your digital marketing, it's really easy to change the content if you need to change it, or if you need to change the schedule as well. As a result of all of this, we can say that digital marketing gives you more flexibility, and it's not only cost effective, it gives you more flexibility as well. Okay, let's talk about the fourth advantage. It's easy to measure your marketing strategies. So Look, when you use the digital channels and when you do digital marketing, it allows your business to see a great result in real time. For example, it's including impression, how many people shares your post, how many people views your post, click on your post, or how much time they spend on your page as well. Think about the traditional one. When you use traditional methods like say TV advertisement or billboard, it's really difficult to estimate how many people actually see your advertisement, or even sometimes they see your advertisement but they don't pay attention to your advertisement. So, but with digital marketing, you can measure the return of investment of any of your marketing efforts. Digital marketing, you can see, for example, you can see the exact number of people have viewed your website homepage in real time by using digital analytics software, which I'm gonna explain in another video as well. You can see how many pages they have visitors, how many pages, what devices they use. In some software, you also can see where they come from, what is their demographic characteristics of your people visiting your page or looking at your products as well. The intelligence help this kind of benefits help you to prioritize which marketing channel to spend more. Okay, when you have a digital marketing across a variety of the channels, it's these numbers gives you to prioritize of the channels based on the spending time, which one you want to spend more or less time based on the number of the people driving to your website. Many channels, many businesses use their social medias like Facebooks, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. So when people visit and put their link of they create a content for their campaign and they put links on their social media. When you look at your page, you really are going to find out where they come from, and then based on those you spend your time and spend more time or less in that particular social media, which bring customers to your website. Okay, now it's time to the fifth advantage of the digital marketing. In digital marketing, nowadays the business is gonna benefit that they're able or they can do the personalizations. They can personalize their product and services for their customers. So digital marketing allows you to gather all the information, customer data, in a way that offline marketing cannot. So it's easier to personalize your services and products for your customers when you use digital marketing. Data collect digitally tends to be more precise and specific. You can see who is interested in your business from demographic point, or even more specifically who is interested to which product or services. If you are having for example different products or different services, even they are different in one small aspect, when you look at the analytics software, you can see that who exactly from demographic point look at your specific product and the services. So based on that, you can personalize even your services and your product based on the data you have collected from the digital marketing. Okay, and finally, the last point I want to deliver in this video, the last advantage of the digital marketing. Look, when we're developing a marketing strategy, it's so many, a lot of work goes to into developing a marketing strategy. Generally, what will happen, we follow through with this strategy. For example, we plan the strategy, then allow it to take effect, and then judge its result. This is how a strategy works, but we know that things don't always go according to plan. You may realize halfway through that as an assumption was incorrect, or your customers or your audience didn't react how you were expected to. So in digital marketing, you are able to pivot or adjust the strategy along the way, and it's highly beneficial because it prevents you from having to start after completion. What happened in the traditional marketing is, for example, when they use the billboards or mailing or TVs, when they have the marketing strategy, they just wait until the campaign finished and then see the results, and then they might need to start over again and planning a different strategy, or changing or adjusting this strategy. But in the digital marketing, you don't need to do that. When you have a marketing strategy, you don't need to wait until it's finished. Along the way, even the halfway, you can just quickly adjust it, or even pause the campaign to get better results. So it's really important to review the strategy as we're going through. So these were 6 main benefits of or advantage or importance of digital marketing, and hope you learn about it and hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next video.